think I saw something back here, Ray.
Whoa.
Whoa! Yes, I'm gonna walk straight up the side of a building, dude. Here, try it on my truck. My truck's made out of aluminum, see?
Crab, you want to see a real truck like this? Booyah! American made, kid. Come on now.
This is a Ford. This is made in America.
Whatever.
It's another day and we're on the mountain working, and I've got Spider-Man shoes.
Spider.
Let's build something.
Hey, how about you wear one of those and I wear the other?
I don't know. That might put me kind of lopsided. So I'll give you a review of these boots at the end of the video. And today's video is brought to you by Squarespace, and it's your all-in-one platform to build a beautiful online presence and to help run your business. Magnetic shoes, steel roof.
Dun, 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 dun.
Okay, works. Whoa, it's different, okay. Gotta get used to it. But they do work, okay? First thing we're gonna hit this morning is this dormer. We've done one side of the valley, and we're gonna start by doing the valley coming this way, that, and then we'll truck it down to the end.
Can you hand me a piece of that Z-bar? I don't feel like bending over. Thanks.
No problem. We're doing something smarter already today. We're using a really short drill bit to pre-drill for these rivets. So there's no chance this can puncture all the way through and hit our roofing layer underneath, which would be not good. Very bad.
Very, very bad.
Jamie mentioned this yesterday, but this is what we're using to determine the angle. We're just measuring it against the edge of the valley lock here. We've cut it, and we're gonna adjust it a little, like 3/16 off the heel, to make these panels get bent perfect at the same angle as our valley lock here.
I have to say, without Jamie being on the job site today, the material is absolutely showing up here a lot faster.
Really?
Yeah. What do you think's the reason of that?
I don't know. Less talking, I guess.
Less talking, more work. That's it.
Ammo going in. That'll get me. We're working on this panel, hooking this around the valley lock. And this is hard. This is like, I've tried twice. Now Justin's going for it, but the valley lock tends to just want to get flattened down to the valley flash, and then you can't get the bottom hooked. So we're struggling here for a minute. To try and get this to go, Ray's like lifting to try and get this to go under easier. It's like try number 4.
Yeah, I can see underneath that.
Okay, 5th try, we got it. Good job. Just took 3 of us about 20 minutes.
Yeah.
But it's in. All right, screw it. All right, Randy, going to bop it here. All right, let's go up with it. 1, 2, 3. Ah! 1, 2, 3. Oh! Get it?
Oh, yeah.
Got it. Yep, got it.
And it's all locked in.
Locked in. That's how it's supposed to go, right? I think I wore the newness off them. They're really sticking now. Look. This other guy we got down here is Nolan. He's Justin's son. What? How old are you?
15.
15, and he's 6'1", 295. 6'3", 295.
Yeah.
And he does play football, if you're wondering.
Yeah. Hey, come on,
Man, child, that's rough to have to
You know, when
feed,
I was
guys.
your age, I weighed 125. You were 2 of me.
I'm 2 of you right now.
Easy, all right? Haven't really talked about it, but the reason we wanted to do metal on this house is because the wind up here is crazy. And if you didn't know, wind can actually get under shingles and literally blow them off the roof. And some of these houses up here have shingles, but the inspector told me that he's seen wind blow shingles off of roofs up here, so I believe him for sure. do you think Jamie's up to right now?
I don't know, but he's definitely living it up in first class.
What? He's flying first class?
Yep, first class. Yeah, we're up here on this roof, and he's just lounging around, sipping a martini, flying from one side of America to the other.
America. That's right.
There he goes.
Oh yeah.
First class seats.
Enjoy yourself, buddy. Right now we're roped in over here, and I chose that location because we can get one more piece of this ridge cap put in without having to pull these. They originally were right here though. I had to move it to do this ridge cap, and eventually we're gonna have to do something different again, like doing the last piece of ridge cap. We may have to run a rope from the ground, like on both sides, and hitch into 2 ropes. That way if we fell off like either side, a rope would catch us or something. I don't have it figured out yet, but these are gonna have to move before we finish, right?
Yeah.
Or I could just Spider-Man it.
You better figure out something, because I'm not up here without a rope.
Yeah. We'll figure it out. That'll be a challenge though. Let's take just a second while we're waiting for our next piece of metal to thank our sponsor for today's video, Squarespace. If you own a business of any kind, you need a website, even just for credibility if you don't sell things online, and you don't need to spend thousands of dollars to get one made. Just go to squarespace.com. You can build your own website. It's simple and easy, and it's gonna look great, and you can sell anything from that website. It's simple to set up, and it even has secure checkout. Even if you're starting totally from scratch, go to squarespace.com and you can buy your domain name there as well. So head to squarespace.com to start your free trial, and when you're ready to launch, go to squarespace.com/Perkins Brothers, and you can get 10% off of your first purchase of a website or domain.
It's got ears bent back in. When it lays down on this valley metal, it'll contact here and here, and then we'll leg seal the ridge to the valley metal. It'll all be sealed shut.
Nice work. I'll bet you're good at making paper airplanes, aren't you?
So.
Don't sell yourself short.
I'm pretty good.
Yeah, there you go.
Oh, what, man?
Yo, Jay, I thought you were gonna be on the roof today. Are you eating shrimp? What? You're not on the roof and you're eating shrimp? Is this what it's like to be a ground guy?
Hey, somebody's got to do it, bro.
Man. Did you get a martini in there too?
I don't know, let me check.
We just took this piece up. It's the first one that's come up a little too short actually up top. So we're actually gonna make the hem at the bottom just a little less than it is now, and then it'll work. We're not really sure if we have extra pieces of metal at this point. We might have an extra piece, we might not, but we definitely don't want to come up short on the number of pieces of metal. Make this one work. Well, Ray, you've been a roofer for 2 days now. What have you learned?
That this is not what I want to do with my life.
And why is that?
I mean, it's just some hard work, man.
Yeah?
Tangling it up in the lines. Got working with metal, getting all cut up.
Yeah,
Doesn't go together easily.
that's right. You got it figured out.
Yeah.
Roofing is hard work, if you
Yeah.
didn't know. It's not even hot out here either. I'm about to go Jamie on you guys.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, so let's talk about metal. I can't stress how important enough it is that we're putting screws through slots that are later hidden underneath the next panel. This is different from regular ag panel roofs where the screw goes through the surface, and then when the metal expands and contracts, it actually works the shank of the screw back and forth. A lot of times it will actually work the entire screw up and out of the roof, and I can't tell you how many times I've seen this. If you put the screws like that into something solid like yellow pine, it really helps it to not do that. But this system works a lot better. It is a lot more expensive though, and that's why you see it mostly on commercial applications.
That was for you, Jamie.
Yo, can we get a neutral?
One more piece, Ellis.
Yeah.
I'm in 5th gear up here, man.
Give me some numbers.
Wide
Yeah.
open.
What?
He's got him. Other side.
He's already got it. No.
I'm on this side.
Yeah, go to the other side.
Have him come this side. He's young.
We're back to walking on the metal. So Ray's gonna duck out with his matchy athletic footwear there. So I got the Magic Magneto locking me in. I'm gonna finish it out. Good luck. Somebody on the ground, I'm not sure who, was real nice and put these little tick marks here, so I know where these holes are pre-drilled and I can fasten the outside. That's really nice. Who do you think did that?
I have no idea.
It wasn't you.
No, what me?
Okay.
That guy.
Was it you?
Nope. It was
We talked about this earlier, where we need to take our ropes out to put this last piece of ridge in. And what we've decided is we're just gonna run one rope to the ground over there, and then I'm gonna stay on this side of the roof only. And because if I were to go that way, a rope from that way wouldn't help me. So I'm gonna stay on this side, do the ridge, rappel down, then we'll take the rope down, then we'll go home. Here's a little comparison on these magnetic shoes versus regular shoes. Show me what you got. Nothing. Hey, look, I'm just standing here. It's crazy.
Yeah, man, these aren't so good on this slick roof.
It's terrible. All right, Ray, I'm in position.
I'm in position.
Turn them loose, bub.
All right.
Major headache coming down. Make sure this doesn't slap a window or something. You ready?
Come on.
Good catch. All right. All right, now I'm gonna lower this over here and y'all hook it on something good. You good? Okay. There it is. I'm going home. She's dry. It's the end of another awesome day on the mountain. We've got the main part of the house dried in. Ridge cap is on. It looks great. And we're gonna go to the house. You quit staring at my shoes.
Lieutenant Eric, you got magic shoes.
They are magic. Review. These actually worked really well once I broke them in, I guess. They're called cougar paws. I'll try to find them on Amazon and put a link or something. But I was the only one standing up there, I'll tell you that. See ya. Thanks for building with us today.
Thanks for flying first class with us today.
Yeah. See ya, Jamie. Man, I'll bet Jamie's wife is about to choke him riding on an airplane for 3.5 hours straight.
What do you think they're talking about?
Oh, wood.
Wood.
Or power tools. the whole
Or
time.
what's that thing he's been talking about? Milling machine.
Milling machines.
Oh, that's it.
Dude.
3 hours of milling machines.
Yep.
She's loving life.
She's hating life.
She's probably like, I want the kids back.